To install Rakuten on Android, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This can be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Rakuten. Select the Rakuten app from the search results, which should be the first option. On the Rakuten app page, you will see an Install button. Tap this button to begin the installation process. You may be prompted to allow the app certain permissions, such as access to your location or device information. Review these permissions and tap Accept if you are comfortable with them. The installation process should only take a few seconds. Once it is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Rakuten app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, tap the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to enter your email address and password. If you already have a Rakuten account, tap the Login button and enter your email address and password. You will then be taken to the Rakuten home screen, where you can start browsing and shopping. The Rakuten app allows you to earn cash back on your purchases, so be sure to explore the various features and options available. To get the most out of the Rakuten app, take some time to explore the different sections and settings. You can browse through the various stores and categories, and even add items to your wish list for later. You can also access your account settings and adjust your preferences as needed. Overall, installing Rakuten on Android is a quick and easy process. By following these steps, you can start earning cash back on your purchases and taking advantage of the many features and benefits that the Rakuten app has to offer.